The new iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max now let us to record videos in 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. And I'm going to show you how you can enable the option, how you can slow down those videos, and create high quality slow motion videos in just a couple of steps. So firstly, the 4K 120 FPS is available for the Pro iPhone 16 models. So those are the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. So if you have a regular 16 or 16 Plus iPhone model, you will not get this feature on your particular device. So keep that in mind. This is reserved for the Pro iPhones. Now, let's open the camera on our iPhone and then switch over to the video mode, and we can easily enable the 4K option by tapping on the resolution button at the top right corner as you normally would. So make sure that this is set to 4K and then tap on the frame rate option, which is right next to the resolution, and make sure that this is set to 120. So just make sure that this is set to 4K 120, and then you can start recording your videos. But if you're having problems when trying to set this resolution and frame rate, then you want to open the settings on your iPhone 16 Pro and then go over to the camera section. From here, select the record video option, and then you'll see a list of resolutions and frame rates which we can set for our camera. And make sure that this is set to 4K at 120 FPS. After you adjust these settings in the camera section, then you can open your camera app and then set the resolution at 4K 120. I will now start recording my video for a couple of seconds just to show you how it looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can slow it down in order to create a cool slow motion effect. I'm finished with filming my video, and I'm then going to open it in my photo gallery. As you can see, the video looks pretty good. It's filmed in a 4K resolution, which is 3840 by 2160, and the frame rate is 120, which will help us create that slow motion effect. In order to slow down our video, you'll want to tap on this little edit button in order to open our video editor. And we don't have to do any complicated editing because Apple made it really simple to slow down the video. You'll want to find this little speed icon at the top right corner of the screen that's right next to the three dots, and then you'll get this little menu where you can select a particular speed which you would like to use. You can set the playback speed to be 50%, 25%, and 20%, which will give us the cinematic 24 frames per second playback speed. The lower the frame rate, the slower your video will be. I'm going to set this to 30 frames per second, or a 25% playback speed, which is exactly 1/4 of the speed. You can also make adjustments to set the beginning and the end of the slow motion effect, and when you're done with the changes, you can tap on the Done option. I'm now going to play my video, which I've recorded in this resolution and this frame rate, and after a second or two I'll get this cool little slow motion effect because I've set the playback speed at 25%. The video won't be choppy or buggy because the frame rate will be set at 30 FPS and we've recorded the video at 120. But yeah, that's how we can record 4K 120 videos on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Please make sure you like this video if it was helpful and share it with other people in order to help them enable this cool feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.